Hey everyone, just a little quick video. Hopefully you can see that. That's a Zotac 1070 Mini TI, 8-pin connector. Default RGB settings, so it always changes. One fan on the back, one fan in the front. You can just make it out, two HyperX 16 gig of RAM, two 8 gig sticks, an XMP profile up to 3200 megahertz, and that's it really. Just below, just about to see it there, it says M.2. That's where my 970 Evo is, working good, and that's it really. And there's the power supply, very basic. Headphones in the front, and that's it. And normally on the side there's a tempered glass panel, but obviously I've took it off so you guys can have a look. Quite quiet to be honest, it's not too bad. And that's it.